It's taking some time to get this video out. I was basically trying to figure out where I want to take the channel. As you know, I usually do walking videos, but I've kind of transitioned to taking photos and catching back up with one of my favorite things to do when I was younger, which was photography. Over the last year or two, I've compiled some photos that I've shared online on Instagram. It's important that each year kind of revisit the photos that were taken. So here's some of the photos that I kind of cherished over the last year and was actually proud of taking. So let's discuss some of them. The majority of photos compiled were taken in New York City. If you know anything about New York City, you know that it definitely is the city that never sleeps. It's kind of ironic that this pedicab, as it's called in New York City, the three-wheeled excursions for tourists, will be my transition into the favorite photos of this year. As you see, this one is pretty colorful and empty. One of my favorite aspects of this photo, which is one of my favorites, is color. It's not only the color, but the symmetry, the size, the lady actually exiting the escalator, the people standing around. There was a lot to look at in this photo and to take in, but it was just a snapshot that really got me in that it's almost like the monster or the King Kong aspect of the photo kind of gave me that parallel when I shot it. In contrast, this photo was taken on a foggy morning, and it's part of one of my videos called Fog Apocalypse, which I was lucky to actually capture because I woke up one morning and it was very foggy outside, and I thought, let me go down to the local park. And I actually love a lot of things about this photo as far as the reflection of the forestry, I guess, or the trees in the water. Just the blue, kind of a bluish green tint. It was just a really, I think, a classy photo, something that I could see on a wall, and something that just really kind of soothing, but also kind of a little mysterious. So this is one of my favorites just because of how it was captured and the reflections. Let's transition, I guess, to this photo, which was taken in Harlem. I think it was at a parade, but I really like this photo because of, I guess, the cool factor of the car, the crowd in the background, the colors, and the driver, of course, who kind of steals the show with the finger pointing, the shades, and of course, he's the owner of the car. But also, I really like that the cup is on the concrete as he drives by. I think it's a kind of throws off the coolness, but also kind of contrast to his actions, where it's like the cup just is on laying on the street. So I really like this photo just because of a lot of different factors. Kind of it's almost like you're there spectating as they drive by in this parade. I picked this one because it's sort of like the quintessential New York City tourist shot. You're looking at the Statue of Liberty in the distance, but also you have people sitting on a park bench facing the water. I'm not quite sure if these are tourists or just New Yorkers out for a Saturday stroll. This was taken in Red Hook, but a lot of the factors that go into me really liking this photo include the dog, of course. It's a pet, and it's a status in society where we're very pet loving and pet friendly. So it's kind of captured here in this photo. That's not the only factor of me really liking this photo. From the skies, I love nice skies with the sun beaming through, the brightness, the contrast of the colors of the individuals, of the person on the far left taking a photo or a selfie, and just the tranquility of the people sitting down on the bench while you have three people sitting and three people standing. It's just a nice layout and something I never get tired of looking at. And that's how I judge a lot of the photos that I take. Can I continue to look at them over time and still appreciate them? I'm going to end my review of photos from last year on this photo. I don't know why I really am ending it on this one, but I think it's something that I'm thinking about. And this picture actually, or this photo actually stands out because of police officer's stature and the background of the individuals with the "I Love New York" T-shirt. NYPD is sort of like a symbol of New York. When you come to the city, a lot of tourists want to take pictures with NYPD. I'm kind of like starting to really like this photo based on just the layout and all the factors and the people. It looks like a movie scene or a movie set. Doesn't almost look real. So it's really growing on me. And I think it's kind of the way I want to end this. If you could do me a favor and tell me what were your favorite shots from this collection, I would like to do a follow-up video, maybe taking 3 or 4 more photos and talking about them and giving some more details and background, maybe some technical aspects of the photo. So please do me that favor and I'll make another video with some more analysis. Thank you.